Hi guys, welcome to the video how to stay rolling. Look at the date, right? There has been so many updates from ArcoLinux. KIO coming KIO 5, kconfig becoming kconfig 5. There are all kinds of changes. So let's see what happens to our systems if we update our systems. And yeah, quantum is another thing that has changed in numbers, and we have to wait till everything is settled. I called it the dust needs to settle. Lots of packages out there that are using the old numbering system, and they should be renamed and all that. So it's a lot of work for a lot of people because of the name changes of Arch. I'm gonna go to the old ISO and I'm gonna update the old ISOs. For me is 10. This is the biggest one, lots of applications, so lots of complications. The more applications, the more complications. You get that. And then we just gonna install it. But let's just skip that stuff. You know, there are lots of videos how to install XS, XL, D, Bs, lots of videos indeed. So you just check those out. I'm gonna save a little bit of time and pause the video here. But basically what I'm gonna do, maybe we should do a little bit more, and that is advanced installation is always more difficult because there are so many parameters around the operating system that can fail, right? Now, since I have to make an how to stay rolling video, I have to go for the easy installation because the advanced will get all the updates in. That means if you use a DVD or a USB, right, an ISO of 6 months ago, it will also download, update 6 months worth of updates. That's why it takes a long time, right? And you have got a slow internet. Yeah, you gotta wait, as simple as that. So in the process of advanced installation, it is online. It gets stuff, right? And it can fail. Servers can fail, there are firewalls, intermittent connections. I mean, that's it. This is you're on the beach, that's gonna work always. So this is the one that you need. Certainly if I have to make a video how to stay rolling, because this is back in time. This is October. When I install this thing, it will have the bits and pieces, the kernels, right, from October. And then we upgrade, then we update, and we see what errors do we get, what solutions can we provide. All right, so let's just do the installation and then I'll be back. And then it finishes and we're gonna reboot. So basically this is back in the past, not back to the future, but back in the past. You are now on a system that's built in, let's say, October, right? Beginning of October or just before that. And that means that you still need to update. And at this point in time, ArcoLinux is renaming a lot of packages from KDE or Plasma and adding it with a 5. So I'll probably see that. So I wanted to see, do we need any knowledge or anything like that? If you update the system, so it's how to stay rolling. This is one of the ways how to stay rolling. Now, maybe we should ask also a scal would be nice. Or sorry, not a scal, my mistake, not a scal, but a backup scal is something interesting to have a look at. So if we just have this as tuner, and if you type backup scal, so make me a backup of etc scal, you get this folder. So what's inside etc scal is now in here. So if we do an update now and then again a backup scal, I can compare two folders with it and then say, okay, right mouse click and compare, and then we'll know what changed in that particular department, etc scal. That's all. So let's see, right? What do we get? A lot of 5s or not? So okay, Windows system is gonna change to okay, Windows System 5. Enter. That's it. Okay, cool. Well, just for your information, like 20-30 of them that have been changed, and on our system, and our ArcoLinux ecosystem, the XL ISO is just the one. All right. Now for all the ISO builders out there, there's a lot of changes, so you need to change your package builds for Calamares. this couldn't be any easier. There's not much to learn. There's not even an ArcoLinux keyring to update. So Control T. One of the things that if there are key problems, if you see something about keys, first thing you do is ArcoLinux keyring. That's the ArcoLinux way of doing things. We have our own way of doing things, and that's basically fix key. And it's going to fix Pacman and all the folders that it needs to be fixed, but also get this one. It's included. It will get ArcoLinux keyring as well. And there are many variants because we tend to forget how we should type it. So there's fix key, there is fix keys with a Z and fix keys with an S, and so on, right? And also vice versa. There is also key something, key voila, key fix. So there's a lot of key fix things you can switch around, and it's always going to point to the script that fixes your Pacman. All right, so yeah, how to stay rolling. Easy video, just update. We're almost there. Maybe we can do this then already. Backup scal can be done already. That means you have two versions, before the haircut and after the haircut, before the update and after the update. Select both of them and have a look. What did we change? That's basically what is new, right? That's another video. What is new will be later. But how to stay rolling is this one. I don't want to see what's the same. I want to see what's different. So nothing to do here. We've changed something in the bash RC, the ZSH RC, that's all. What did we change? Indeed, we have a new alias. So an environment, and at a certain point in time I was working. So this one, environment, right, is gonna work if you put the whatever you use, right? If you use the bash RC there, or the ZSH RC there, or the fish there, it's all the same. This we did change as well, I see now. But somewhere down here is this one, and ZSH RC, right? It's all the same. Go edit me this file, and that's because of the fact that it's yeah, true. That's because of the fact that we have changed something in that particular file. So sudo nano, well, let's just use alias. If you want to use the alias, neofetch, right? Remember, I am on bash, so I do copy the bash, please, and then I can do environments. Voila. So what we've added here is an extra line, and we can put this in the script or not. The thing is, the thing is that Pamac and others have a problem, right? If you like the white thing, that's fine, right? If you like this, then it's fine. But if you don't like it, there's a video about it saying, okay, if you want this to be black and there is no compromise possible, you want it absolutely black, you just have to type GTK underscore theme equals, for example, ArcDark is the one that we use by default. Control X, yes please, done. Next time you reboot, this Pamac thing here will be then in dark. And so many other tools, of course. All right, so that's it for me. We could add something in the binary, in the stay rolling, create a new folder, and a scal. If you do a scal, watch what happens, right? It adds the one moving from September to October. So we need one that says from October to November. And I was thinking maybe we can add something to do this automatically. The change to GTK theme ArcDark, just add it at the end and then be done with it, and you decide to run it or not. All right, that's it for me. Cheers.